Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special phone Hyundai Tucson 2018 to 2020 years. Today I will unbox review. Open the box. Now you can check whether unit is good condition. Okay, this header unit. First, let me introduce honey set first. You can check this special honey and canvas box. This canvas box and this special honeys. Okay, it comes with video out, left and right, and this camera, this video input, this camera input, RC type. Plug and play. Okay. It comes with install parts. This install part, you can check this right and left with screws. Okay. This radio antenna and this GPS antenna. Then this USB cable, two USB cable and external microphone. This original USB. And this camera input. This AUX video input and AUX input left and right at the same time. Okay, this audio cable. This subwoofer. And video out 1 and video out 2. This video out left and right, front and rear. Okay, let me show how to do it. Okay, you can check the header unit. Okay, you can check back. There is two SD card slot. SD card slot. Okay, and back. And this GPS, this power, this fuse, this connector for audio and USB and the other connection. This radio antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, let me connect the power. the head unit will be started. Okay, this is front head unit. Okay, and this 9-inch IPS touchscreen. Please take out this screen protector before using. This microphone, this reset hole, this navy button, built-in Google Maps, this volume, this radio. Click search to get the radio stations. Brightness. This knob, this volume. This knob. This mute. Back. This home. All apps are here. You can check this built-in DSP amplifier. Settings. And easy connection for Mirrorlink. Built-in Play Store, you can download the application from Play Store. Okay, let me check the settings. It's around 4 GB. ix35, Android 10 system. Okay. Storage. You can total 64 GB. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Supports the hotspot and 4G. This car settings. You can change this button color with red, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. And navigation settings, drumming settings, reserve volume, watch video, and back up camera settings, steering wheel control settings. Okay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.